Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to crop an image into a circle shape in Microsoft Publisher. So let's start it. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show crop an image into circle shape. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a picture option. Now select from a picture and click for the find your picture. Now select from a picture. Now click for insert option. Now resize your picture. Now going to the format menu option. Now click for a crop option. Now click for a crop to shape. Then click for a circle shape. That it's now crop the image. That is. Now you can see crop an image into size circle shape in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for